Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, today we shall be going to study about the use of the. So students, in your previous classes you studied that we use the for singular noun or plural noun or for any unique things. Now we are going to discuss more about use of the. So students, let's read these sentences which is given here. May I borrow the book? So here the book is a noun. So here we can use the before the noun book. Now let's read the second sentence. Look at the boy standing near the window. He is the topper of our class. So here the word boy, window and topper, these all are nouns. So here we can use the. Now look at the next sentence. I have an umbrella. The umbrella is colorful. So students, here the word umbrella is noun. So here we use the before umbrella. We use the before nouns we already know about or have mentioned before. Like here I have an umbrella. Here umbrella is already mentioned in first sentence. So after this we also use the before that noun, that is umbrella. In these sentences we have used the before book, boy, window, topper and umbrella. So students, in these sentences we have used the before book, boy, window, topper and umbrella. Now let's read these examples to see how the is used. Now students, let's read these examples to know how the is used. First one is we use the before nouns we already know about or have mentioned before. So students, we use the before the noun that we already know about and have mentioned before. For example, the teachers who gave me a pencil is very kind. So students, here teacher, the word teacher is a noun. So here you have to use or we use the before teacher. Second example is what is the name of the boy with the dog? So students, here the boy and the dog, boy and dog both are noun. So here we can also use the. Now look at the next point. We use the before the names of famous buildings, rivers, mountains, newspapers, holy books and specific direction. So students, here we are going to know that we use the before names of famous building like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, etc. These all are famous buildings. Rivers. The example of rivers are Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Tapti, Rapti, etc. These are the example of rivers. So, before this we use the mountains like Mount Everest, newspaper like that you read at your home, newspaper name like Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala, etc. The next one is holy books. So students, do you know what are holy books? Holy books like Gita, Ramayan, Mahabharat, these all are holy books. So before the name of holy books, you have to use the and specific direction like. So students, you know very well about the directions, the 4 direction, that is east, west and now north and south. So before the name of direction, you have to use the east, the west, the north or the south. Now let's read the example. The Taj Mahal is located on the bank of the Yamuna. So students, here Taj Mahal is famous building name and Yamuna is a river name. So before it you have to use the. Now look at the next example. I have read the Bible several times. So students, here Bible is holy books. So Bible is holy books like Gita, Ramayan, etc. Bible is the religious book of Christians religion. Now let's read the next example. The sun rises in the west and sets in the west. So students, here look, the east and west are specific direction. It means they are the name of direction. So before the direction you have to use the. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So before sun we also use the, because sun is a unique. Now let's come to the next point. We also use the when the noun is one of its kind. So students, we use the when the noun is one of its kind. For example, the highest mountain in the world. So students, there are only one highest mountain in the world. So here you have to use the before when the noun is one of its kind. The most intelligent girl in the class. It means there is only one girl that is most intelligent in the class. Now let's remember, we can use the with both singular and plural nouns. So students, we can use the with both either singular or plural nouns. For example, I saw the ostrich at the zoo. I saw the ostrich at the zoo. It means here ostrich is singular noun. So before singular noun we use the. Look at the second sentence. I saw the ostriches at the zoo. So here the word ostriches are plural. So We also use the for the plural nouns. So students, I hope you understand the uses of the very well by this video. Now you have to discuss this with your brother or sister or any other family member, and you have to remember all the rules that I told you in this video. So in our next video we will do the exercises related to this topic. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.